Hello students! Now I will be showing you how to access and play the online game. The link to the game is under Resources in my web quest. Let's go back to Google and type in the link to my web quest. We will now type in https://sites.google.com/wagner.edu/web-quest-on-pollution/home, and now press enter on your keyboard. Now that we have made it back to the web quest, we will go ahead and click on Resources. The first link under Resources is the online game. Let's click on the link. We have now been redirected to the online game called Ocean Cleanup. To play this game, you will be removing all of the trash. Double-click on the trash in groups of 2 or more to remove it from the ocean. These 3 symbols will help you save more marine animals. The first tile removes all of the trash around it. The second tile removes one type of trash on the whole screen. And lastly, the third tile removes all of the trash in that row. The game is over when a column of trash reaches the top. I will now demonstrate how to play. Click here to play. I will double-click on groups of 2 or more to remove the trash from the ocean. Keep an eye out for the special tiles. Remember, once one column of trash reaches the top, the game will end. So your goal is to never let the trash reach the top. Since I'm only demonstrating, I'm going to let the trash reach the top. Oh, but here we go. Here's a special tile. I will just demonstrate how to use it. Double-click, and all of the trash in that area has been removed. The more you play, more items come in. Here's a plastic bag. The trash will reach the top and the game will end. When you have finished playing the game, you can see right here the number of marine animals that you have saved. I have saved 1,540 marine animals. This online interactive game connects to our investigation because you will pretend to be a superhero of the ocean as you remove as many plastic items as you can to clean up the ocean. I chose this game for our investigation because it helps you to imagine the marine animals that live in the ocean having to swim around and find food with all of this harmful plastic in their homes. I hope you make the connection as you play the game that it is not right that marine animals become sick and injured because of something that humans do. Can you imagine if someone threw garbage in your home? Wouldn't that be terrible? Did you know that many of the marine animals that are harmed by plastic items are seen in the waters around Staten Island? We have seals, sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, and even whales right off the coast of Staten Island. As you play the game, think about the ways that plastic can end up in the ocean. I can think of one way: littering. Please remember to never litter. I also chose this game because I wanted you to have fun as you are playing and learning. Do you know the game Candy Crush? Well, this game is similar to that. Instead of crushing candy, you are crushing plastic and cleaning up the ocean. As you play the game, you will see the single-use plastic items that are harmful to marine animals, such as plastic bags and plastic bottles. Think about the ways that we can reduce our plastic and help these marine animals have a nicer home. At the end of the game, you will receive a score which tells you the number of animals that you have saved from your cleanup efforts. So have fun becoming a superhero of the ocean as you clean up the plastic trash. Thank you.